Hello everybody, this is me Johan here. Now there have been a lot of videos on YouTube regarding the OnePlus NORD. I've been able to get my hands on this just recently, after almost a week of using it. Here are my reasons why I feel it's a practical daily driver for everyone. The display and size. It's an AMOLED and visuals really look sharp and crisp on its display. You get the usual inky blacks and vibrant colors, which make media content watching a real pleasure. It gets quite bright as well. Sunlight legibility isn't really a problem. Next, having a 6.44-inch display gives it a balanced and neutral feel. It doesn't feel too big or too small. It sits in between and is a phone which is very comfortable to use for all age groups. The weight distribution. This is another area where OnePlus has done really well. Corning Gorilla Glass 5 in the front and back for protection, and a plastic frame. The phone always felt very comfortable to hold in the hands, and I'm sure it's something everyone would appreciate. The performance. Now regarding the performance, it comes with the Snapdragon 765G, the 7nm chip, and the Adreno 620 GPU inside, and the variant I'm using has 12GB of RAM in it. I could hardly find any difference in day-to-day performance between this and the OnePlus 7, which was last year's flagship OnePlus phone, which has a more powerful chipset inside. Gaming-wise, yes, the OnePlus 7 definitely is the better phone to game. But honestly, most of us are going to use it for usual day-to-day operations and use a specific group of apps every day. In day-to-day operations, it does a fantastic job and felt almost as fast as most of the flagships in 2020. Battery life. Having a fairly large 4115 mAh battery inside, a power efficient chip and an AMOLED display resulted in superb battery life. I was easily able to get one full day of usage, even when using it very heavily. I was getting 7 hours of screen on time without gaming, and when gaming and using the Bluetooth, it returned 6 hours of screen on time consistently. Even if you do run out of juice, the supply 30-watt fast charger charges the phone from 0 to 100 in under 1 hour. Dependable everyday camera. The cameras are not the best, at the same time they do a decent job and more than get the job done for everyday pics. And with the latest Oxygen OS 10.5 update, the macro camera has improved, as in the colors are now more natural and the images got are more than usable now. 5G and long-term support. Now as you know, the 765G is a 5G chipset. So when 5G eventually does come to India, you don't necessarily need to change your phone to experience it. Although you won't get the super fast millimeter wave 5G speeds on the NORD, it will still be quite faster than the fastest 4G available. As far as support is concerned, OnePlus has committed to providing the NORD 2 major Android software updates and 3 years of security patches. Now coming to the verdict. This is a smartphone everyone can use and ticks all the practical boxes and can be used for the next 3 years starting now. Regarding which variant to buy, there is only a difference of Rs 2000 between the 8GB RAM 128GB and 12GB RAM 256GB. My suggestion would be to go for the 12GB RAM 256GB variant, which costs Rs 30,000. The 6GB RAM 64GB at Rs 25,000 doesn't make sense due to the limited storage and should only be purchased if you are a very light user and are particular about owning a OnePlus smartphone. So that's it for me today, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. If you guys loved the video, I'd appreciate it if you guys could give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and do hit the bell icon so that you all get notified with the latest and greatest videos the second they are uploaded on YouTube by me. So what else can I say? Wishing all of you a tremendous day ahead of you. Ciao for now.